We'll guide you through how to use Visual Studio Code, the popular code editor that's perfect for developers of all levels. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once it's open, you'll see the Welcome page, which provides quick links to start a new file or open a recent project. To create a new file, simply click on the New File icon in the top left corner, or use the shortcut Ctrl+N on Windows or CMD+N on Mac. This will open a blank editor window where you can start coding right away. VS Code supports a wide range of programming languages, so make sure to save your file with the appropriate extension, like .js for JavaScript or .py for Python. You can do this by clicking on File in the top menu, then Save As, and typing in your desired file name and extension. Next, let's talk about extensions, which are a big part of what makes VS Code so powerful. Click on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side, which looks like 4 squares. Here you can search for and install extensions that add functionality to your editor, like syntax highlighting, code snippets, or integration with other tools. Popular extensions include Prettier for code formatting and Python for Python development. To install an extension, just click Install next to its name. Now, let's customize your workspace. Go to File, then Preferences, and click on Settings. Here you can adjust various settings like font size, theme, and even enable autosave for your code. You can search for specific settings in the search bar at the top of the settings page. Finally, to run your code, open the terminal by going to View, then Terminal, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+, backtick. This will open a terminal at the bottom of your editor, where you can run commands just like you would in a separate command line interface. If you're working on a project, you can open the entire project folder in VS Code by going to File, then Open Folder, and selecting your project directory. This way, you can navigate through your project's files easily using the Explorer panel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.